Lisa woke up early. She wore her white coat. She tied her hair. She looked in the mirror. "I'm ready," she whispered. She was starting her new job at the city hospital. It was her dream. She wanted to save lives. Her mother hugged her. "You'll do great," she said. Lisa smiled. "Thanks, Mom." At the hospital gate, Lisa stopped. At the hospital gate, Lisa stopped. She looked around. People were walking fast. Nurses were rushing. Doctors were focused. "Excuse me, where is the emergency room?" Lisa asked a security guard. He pointed right down the hallway. Lisa walked in. The smell of medicine was strong. Machines beeped. Voices echoed. She whispered, "This is real." Her first patient was a boy. His name was Tommy. He was 6 years old. He had a broken leg. "Hi, Tommy. I'm Lisa," she said softly. Tommy looked scared. "Will it hurt?" he asked. "Just a little. But I'll be here," Lisa said. The doctor came. "Prepare him for the X-ray," he ordered. Lisa nodded. "Yes, doctor." She held Tommy's hand. "Let's count to 10. They counted together, smiled through the pain. "You're brave," Lisa said. Later the doctor told her. "You did well. He trusts you." Lisa felt proud. "I want to do more," she whispered. The next day Lisa met Miss Grace. She was 78 years old. She had pneumonia. She was alone. "Do you have any family?" Lisa asked. "No, dear. Just me," she replied. Lisa felt sad. "You're not alone anymore," she said. Every day Lisa visited her. She brought her tea. She told her stories. "Miss Wu," Grace smiled again. "You remind me of my daughter," she said one day. Lisa held her hand. "I'll be your daughter today," she replied. Miss Grace cried. "Thank you for your kindness," Lisa said. "It's my job, and my heart." One night, a man came in. He had a heart attack. Doctors shouted, "Nurse, oxygen faster! Nurse, oxygen faster!" Lisa ran to help. "Wolf, keep him breathing." "Where is the monitor?" "Check his pulse." Lisa stayed calm. She gave oxygen. She checked the monitor. She didn't panic, but the man didn't survive. "How is poor?" The room went quiet. Lisa walked out. She sat alone. "I tried," she whispered. The head nurse came. "You did your best," she said. "Sometimes we lose, but we never stop." Lisa nodded. "I want to keep going." "That's what makes you a healer," the nurse said. One evening, a young man came. He was paralyzed. His name was Jake. He had an accident. "I hate my life," he said. Lisa sat beside him. "Don't say that. There is no hope," he replied. Lisa brought him books. She brought him games. She made him laugh. "You're funny," he said. One day, Lisa smiled. "And you're stronger than you think." Weeks passed. Jake started to move his fingers, then his arms, then his legs. "You did it," Lisa shouted. Jake smiled. "You believed in me. You believed in yourself," Lisa said. "You need rest," he said. Lisa didn't want to leave. "My patients need me. You can't help them if you're sick," he replied. She lay in a hospital bed. She watched others work. Now she was the patient. It was hard. Jake visited her. Look who needs motivation now. Lisa laughed. You're right. You told me to fight. Now it's your turn. Jake said. Lisa nodded. I will. I promise. After 2 weeks, Lisa returned. Everyone clapped. Welcome back. Tommy ran to her. Lisa, I missed you. She hugged him. I missed you more. Jake was walking now. You helped me heal. Helped me heal, he said. And you helped me believe, Lisa replied. Miss Grace was gone. She had passed peacefully, but she left Lisa a note. Thank you for loving a stranger. You gave me family in my last days, Lisa cried. I'll never forget you. Lives, she whispered, but they saved mine too. She walked to the nurse's desk. Time to work, she smiled. Shadow English practice sentences. Use and repeat. Common hospital sentences. I am here to help. You will be okay. Please stay strong. We are with you. You are not alone. Breathe slowly. Don't worry. Let's do this together. You are getting better. I believe in you. Repeat after me. Feel the words. Use them. Let your English grow with your heart. Final motivation. In every hospital, there are 2 medicines. One is the